Hi, this is Angelina with Kaizink Screen Print and Embroidery, and today I'm going to show you how to leave production notes in DecoNetwork. Now these are going to be different from the internal notes that you see over here. These are order specific. They will not travel with the order or with the item, so we're going to want to leave a production note. So you're going to want to be in your order. We're looking for 1280. You're going to go to this left taskbar and select on production. Go to the All tab, make sure that's selected, and then put in your order number in the order number cell. Search that, and you can go ahead and click into one of the items for your order. Once you're clicked into that, it'll take you to a production page for this order item. And you're going to go to this right-hand side and click this plus sign, similar to the internal notes, except this time you have the option to select from the drop-down production notes or internal order notes. So we're going to leave production note. It's going to be for a test. You can even add photos in, and you're going to click OK. This is great because this will travel with the product rather than getting left behind with the order. So good for knowledge you want to extend throughout the process of ordering this specific product for your customer going forward. Thank you.